Hey guys, if you are also facing the Office updating please wait issue and stuck for a long time, try this easy fix. Press Win plus R button, type clean mgr and press enter. Select the C drive and click OK. Click on Clean up system files. Don't worry, this only removes cache and temporary files without affecting your PC. Wait a few minutes for the process to complete. Once finished, select all options and delete them. Please note that the list includes the recycle bin option, which permanently deletes all the files in it. Double check before proceeding. Now proceed to the next step. Click on the Windows button and search for Settings. Open Apps. Then find and select your Microsoft Office. I'm using Windows 7 Office, so choose the version installed on your system. Click on Modify. Then select Repair. This will fix any issue with your existing Microsoft Office installation. Restart your PC and your problem should be resolved. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.